Alright, I have an analog scope. The actual name of it, uh, oscilloscope. Analog oscilloscope. Alright, I know how to check the voltage off of this battery, or this lithium battery, which I'm not gonna use the digital multimeter. So what I'm gonna do is use my, you know what it is, a portable power station. Goes through here, and then it goes into my transformer. And now I got my channel 1 probe. Alright, if I could do this with one hand. I want to put it close to where the CRT screen is at. Hold on, let me pause it real quick. I'm gonna mount it. Alright. So right now this is a thing that dedicates the voltage. I have it on volts division at 50 millivolt. So we'll connect the positive and the negative terminal. You see, look, this tells me that this thing has a voltage in here. So if I wanted to check my voltage without a digital multimeter, I just use this. So look, as you can see, look, voltage. So try to get one of this. I have a 1CP right here, the name of it. So yeah, that's how you check your voltage without a digital multimeter.